So this is the 2016 Junior Cert Ordinary Level Paper 2, and we're looking at question number 3. Two companies carried out different surveys. The results of Company A's survey are shown in the table below. So with Company A here, the question was, does your hair feel nicer when you use our shampoo? And the results are in the table. So what does the question? Part A says, use the numbers in the table to draw a pie chart for Company A's results in the space above. Show your calculations on the grid above and label each sector of the pie chart clearly. Okay. Well, there are going to be two sections, the yes and no section. So we're just going to have a look at the no section first. So there was 20 people said no. Now that was 20 people out of 300. So that's the fraction of people who said no. 20 over 300. And because a pie chart is a full circle, we know it's 360 degrees. So we're going to multiply our fraction by 360. And when we do that in a calculator, we get 24. So that's in degrees. So the no sector will be 24 degrees. Okay, so let's have a go at doing that. So the first thing we do is we get our protractor and we put it on the circle like this, with the center point at the center. Then we're going to measure up 24 degrees, which is just there. Okay, so we're going to, from the center, we're going to mark the 0 line, and we're going to mark the 24 degree line. Okay, so then we're going to take the ruler. Take the ruler up here and we're going to draw those lines in. So from there to the edge of the circle. Okay, and then we're going to just move the ruler up a little bit here. And then we're going to draw this line going up here like that. Okay, so if I move the ruler out of the way, there's my sector. That is the no sector, okay? And that was 24 degrees there. Mark that in if you like, 24 degrees. And then our yes sector is the big piece, the big slice here. Okay, and that's the end of part A. Part B, in this survey people had to answer yes or no. Put a tick in the correct box to show what type of data this is. Give a reason for your answer. So the type of data, is it categorical or numerical? Well, if the answers were yes or no, that's clearly not numerical. It's not numbers, so it's categorical. And the reason is the answers are not numbers. Okay, so part C. The pie chart in the table on the right shows the results of Company B's survey. Okay, so here's Company B. The question, does your skin feel softer when you use our moisturizer? So we have a pie chart here showing the yes and the no. Use a protractor to find the size of the angle of each sector in Company B's pie chart. So the size of the no angle and then the size of the yes angle. Okay, so we're going to use our protractor again. We're going to start with the no. So we just got to be careful. Place the protractor with the center at the center of the circle. Okay, I'm just going to turn the protractor around. I've got to line up with the. Just got to be careful here. You're going to line up as carefully as you can. Okay, with the 0, and then we're going to see here. You can see it goes from 0 up to 50. Let's see, 50 degrees. So I'm reading from the inside scale here. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 degrees. Okay, so that's the size of our no sector. It's 50 degrees. Okay, well, the size of the yes angle would be, well, the whole circle is 360. So if we just take away the 50 from the 360, take away the 50, that leaves 310 degrees for the yes angle. So it's 50 for the no and 310 for the yes. Company B surveyed 72 people in total. Work out how many people answered no and how many people answered yes. Okay, so let's work out the people who answered no first. Well, the people who answered no, there was 50 degrees answered no, and that was 50 out of a total of 360. So that was the fraction of people by degrees who said no. And we're going to find out what fraction of 72 is that. Okay. What amount of 72 is that? So when we put that in our calculator, the fraction, 50 over 360, and times it by 72. When we do that in the calculator, the answer we get is 10. So 10 people said no. So that's 10 here. Okay, and then the people who said yes, well, if there was 72 in total, just take away the 10 who said no, and that leaves 62 people who said yes. Okay, finally, part D. Based on the total numbers of people surveyed, which company's results do you think are more reliable? Give a reason for your answer. The company whose results are more reliable, was it company A or company B? Okay, well, company B, which we just had a look at, they surveyed 72 people. They asked us to look at the total numbers of people surveyed. Okay. Now, company A, if we go back and have a look, they surveyed 300 people. So if we go back again, there's 300 people surveyed by company A. Well, the results that are more reliable would be the survey. They surveyed the most people. That makes for a more reliable result. So the answer would be company A, and the reason is they surveyed more people. And that's the end of question number 3.